Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is 5 power n equals n power 6 to 5. Solving for all values of n that satisfy this equation. So let's start by eliminating this n here. I have 5 power n. I raise this to the power of 1 over n in order to eliminate the n equals, I do the same thing here, n power 6 to 5. I also raise this to the power of 1 over n. So we consider this identity, a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times n. So applying that here and here, I will have 5 power n times 1, that is n divided by n, equals n power 6 to 5 times 1, that is 6 to 5 divided by n. So n divided by n is 1. I have 5 here, equals n power 6 to 5 divided by n. Now I can also eliminate 6 to 5 from here. I raise this to the power of 1 over 6 to 5. I raise this to the power of 1 over 6 to 5. Then I go back to the same identity, a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times n. So I will multiply this. I have 5 power 1 over 6 to 5 equals n power. This multiplies 1. We have 65 divided by n times 6 to 5, like 6 to 5 n. So from here, 6 to 5 eliminates 6 to 5. 5 power 1 over 6 to 5 equals n power 1 over n. Now what we can do is to ensure that the base here and this are the same. So I can have this as 5 power 1 times 1 over 6 to 5 equals n power 1 over n. Now I can replace this one here. Now I can replace this one here with 5 divided by 5. So I'm simply going to have 5 power 5 divided by 5 times 1 divided by 6 to 5 equals n power 1 over n. So 5 times 1, that is 5. So I will simply have 5 power 5 times 1, that is 5, divided by 5 times 6 to 5, that is 3125. And this equals n power 1 over n. Now I can factor out this 5 from here. I can have 5 power 5 times 1 divided by 3125 equals n power 1 over n. Now if you have n power n times n equals a power n or power m. So what I'm going to have will be 5 power 5 to the power of 1 divided by 3125 equals n power 1 over n. Now finding the value of 5 power 5, that is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, and that would likely give you 3125. We have 3125 raised to the power of 1 over 3125. And this equals n power 1 over n. So at this particular point, if you have a power 1 over a equals b power 1 over b, you can compare them. You can have 1 over a equals 1 over b. So you cross multiply. That means you have a equals b. That's exactly what we are going to do here. We have 1 divided by 3125 equals 1 divided by n. We cross multiply. N times 1, we have n. 3125 times 1, we have 3125. That means n is 3125. And that is it. So you can decide to check by inserting this value for n. Our n is 3125. And we have 5 power n equals n power 625. That means we have 5 power 3125 equals 3125 power 625. So from here, we have 5 power 3125 equals 3125 is simply 5 power 5, like what we said earlier. This is raised to the power of 625. Now, if you have a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times n, so we have 5 power 3125 equals 5 times 625. So we have 5 power 3125 equals 5 power 5 times 625. 5 times 5, 25. 5 carry over 2. 5 times 2, 10 plus 2, 12. 2 carry over 1. 5 times 6, 30, 30 plus 1, 31. So you have 5 power 3125 here, the same as 5 power 3125 here. So this shows that the answer is obviously very correct. So that is it. This is how you can solve this exponential problem step by step, and I believe you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you and goodbye.